Hello everyone, how are you doing today? And welcome to Online Learning with H.Hussain. Speak Smart English is the title. And today we're going to learn very interesting lecture. वो है would you like to? Would you like to? And when the D is followed by Y, we say would. We can pronounce like J, like would you like to? जिसका मतलब है क्या आप पसंद करेंगे? जब हम किसी से बोलते हैं ना यार, would you like to eat something? आप कुछ खाना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like to eat something? It's an offer, right? Would you like to drink something? आप कुछ पीना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like to listen something? आप कुछ सुनना पसंद करेंगे? Would you like to watch something? Would you like to watch something? कुछ देखना पसंद करेंगे आप? Offer है मतलब TV drama. Would you like to read a book? And like I'm saying, I'm bored. And they say, would you like to read something? Would you like to read a digest? Would you like to read a newspaper? Same thing. Would you like to see my photos? Would you like to see my pictures? Would you like to meet my brother H.Hussain? He's in English faculty. Would you like to meet my family? So it's an offer, right? And we can also say, like, if somebody has a handsome car, we say, wow, what a nice car. And he's your friend, he says, would you like to drive it? Would you like to drive it? The same thing happens if somebody has got a beautiful horse or bike. You say, wow, what a horse. You say, would you like to ride it? Would you like to ride it? The horse. And if it's a bike, you say, would you like to ride it? Would you like to ride it? So you're giving them an offer. Would you like to wear it? You say, wow, what a nice dress, Mr. Hussain. And I'll ask you, would you like to wear it? And I'm serious. Would you like to wear it? Oh, you can't do that. I'm sorry. So would you like to wear it? If somebody is variable, you know, like anything, shirt, tie, or dress, shoes, you know, we can ask them, would you like to wear them? Wow, what a nice shoes. Would you like to wear them? What a nice sunglasses, you know, like sunglasses, sun shades, or, you know, we say Googles. Wow, what a nice sunglasses. Would you like to wear them? And can I have my goggles, my son, please? That in there. So would you like to wear them? Would you like to wear them? It's like your goggles, you know, they are in the cupboard. So would you like to try them? You know, like, would you like to wear my special goggles? They are right there on the top, my son. But my daughter can't see them. Yeah, it's so bad. So would you like to wear my sunglasses? Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please do subscribe the channel. Have a great day. And would you like to subscribe my channel? It's an offer. Please do it. Have a great day. Thank you.